Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about some different models in properties of triangles related to part 1. Okay. Now it is the one of the very important one, students. A into cos square a by 2 plus b into cos square b by 2 plus c into cos square c by 2 equal to s plus delta by r. So students, the left hand side is there sigma a cos square a by 2. This is the students sigma a into cos square a by 2 can be written as 1 plus cos a by 2. Sigma a cos square a by 2. Cos square a by 2 is the 1 plus cos a by 2. My dear students, 1 by 2 sigma a plus a into cos a cos a. That is the students 1 by 2 into sigma a plus sigma a cos a. So dear students, 1 by 2 into sigma a is the students a plus b plus c. Is it clear? Yes or no, students? First cos square a by 2 is the form 1 plus cos a by 2. After that 1 by 2, this is a into 1 a cos a. So now remove the sigma, then it is a plus b plus c. Now students, we can remove the sigma, then it is a cos a plus b cos b plus c cos c. Okay, my dear students, we have to know that a plus b plus c is the 2s. A plus b plus c is the 2s. Okay, that is 1 by 2 into 2s. So the small a is the form 2r sin a. This is 2r sin b. This is 2r sin c. So students, now we are taking this is sigma. The small a is the students 2r sin a is there cos a. Is it clear how to write this is? We can written as small a. First we are taking here a cos a, b cos b, c cos e is there. So we have to take, this is the student sigma a cos a. So what is the a from the sine rule? 2r sin a. From the sine rule, a is the 2r sin a. So here we are taking 2s r into, everybody know that 2 sin a cos a. This is the formula of sine of 2a. Sine of 2a is the 2 sin a cos a. So students, this can be written as sine of 2a. Now this is 1 by 2 into 2s sigma r into what? Now we can remove the sigma, then it will be sine of 2a plus sine of 2b plus sine of 2c. Okay students, now this is 1 by 2 into 2s sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. What is the students? The sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. From the transformations, we have to know that this is the 4 sin a into sin b into sin c. Is it clear students? Sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is the 4 sin a sin b sin c from the transformations. Okay, now this is, we can written as yes. After that, this is the students 2r sin a into sin b into sin c. Everybody know that here 2 cancel, 2 times cancel, 2r into sin a into sin b into sin c. Now students, this is s plus, we are taken into r by r, that is a 2r square sin a into sin b into sin c upon capital R. Dear students, we are taking into r by r. 2r square sin a into sin b into sin c this is nothing but delta. So students, we can written as S plus delta by R. This is the S plus, this is nothing but delta. S plus delta by R. This is the students right hand side. Okay. How to write the students? This is first we can written as A cos square A by 2. This is 1 plus cos A by 2. Now this is A into cos A cos A. The sigma A means A plus B plus C. Okay. This is A cos A. From the sine rule, the small a is the form 2R sin A. Okay. Now this is R into, this is the formula of sine of 2A. The sine of 2A is the 2 sin A cos A. Now this is sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. This is the 4 sin A sin B sin C. So this is 2 to cancel. After that we can take it as into R and by R. 2R square into sin A into sin B into sin C. This is delta. Okay. Therefore S plus delta by R is the required solution. Okay. Now take one more question, students. Prove that. Write down A cos A. Prove that. Question number 2. A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C. 4R sin A into sin B into sin C. That is 2 delta by R. Is it clear? Now A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C equal to 4R sin A sin B sin C and 2 delta by R. Dear students, we are taking A cos A, B cos B, C cos C. Now the small a is the students 2R sin A into cos A. The small b is 2R sin B into cos B. The small c is 2R sin C into cos C. Now this is the capital R into 2 sin A cos A. That is sin 2A. 2 sin B cos B. That is sin of 2B. 2 sin C cos C. That is sin of 2C. So sin 2A 2 sin A cos A, sin 2B 2 sin B cos B, sin 2C 2 sin C cos C. So students, the capital R into sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. This is 4 sin A into sin B into sin C. Already we discussed the sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. This is the 4 sin A sin B sin C. This is the first question in transformations if the sum of the angles are 180 degrees. Okay. Therefore, the sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is the 4 sin A sin B sin C. Now this is we can written as the 2 into 2R into sin A into sin B into sin C. We are taking into R and by R. So we got here 4R sin A sin B sin C. This is the first one. After that we are taking the into big R by capital R. So this is, we know that 2R square into sin A into sin B into sin C. That is the area of the triangle. Okay. Now this is 2 into delta by R is the right hand side. Okay. Now students, the question number 3. A square cot A, B square cot B, C square cot C. A square cot A plus B square cot B plus C square cot C is the ABC by R. Is the ABC by R. Okay. Now students, we can taken as this is, we are taken as the left hand side is taken as sigma a square into cot a. Sigma a square into cot a. This is the students 2r sin a whole square. From the sine rule, the small a is the 2r sin a whole square. The cot a is the students cos a by sin a. Now this is sigma 4r square sin square a cos a by sin a. This is the students sigma. We can written as 1 time sin a cancel. This is we can written as 2r square 2 into sin a into cos a. So my dear students, the 2r square sigma, what is the form here? Sin 2a. This is the formula of sin 2a. Is it clear? Now first you can write 2r sin a whole square. This is a 4r square sin square a. 1 time cancel. 2 sin a cos a is the sin 2a. Now this is the students, we have to know that the sin 2a plus sin of 2b plus sin of 2c. Now we can remove the sigma. That is the 2a, 2b, 2c. This is what? 4 sin a, sin b, sin c. Okay? This is the 4 sin a, sin b, sin c. Now students, we can written as this is 2r square 4 into sin a into sin b into sin c. Now this is we can written as 4 into 2 8r square. The sin a from the sin rule a by 2r. The sin b is b by 2r. Sin c is c by 2r. So this is we can written as 8r square ABC upon 8r cube. So this is we can written as ABC by capital R. ABC by capital R is the required solution. Okay. Now students, the one of the important one. Prove that the sigma a cube cos of b minus c equal to 3abc. Sigma a cube cos of b minus c equal to 3abc. Okay? Here, this is the one of the very important one. So first we take the left hand side, sigma a cube cos of b minus c. So the sigma a square into, first you can write s a cube is the a square into a. So this is student cos of b minus c. Now sigma a square into the small a from the sine rule 2r sin a into cos of b minus c. Okay students, the small a 2r sin a. Dear students, the a square 2r. How to write the sin a? The sin a is the sum of the angles in a triangle 180 degrees. A can be written as 180 minus of b plus c. That is cos into b minus c. Is it clear? Cos of b minus c. Sin 180, a can be written as 180 minus of b plus c. So students, the r into sigma a square into, this is sin of 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant. That is sin theta. Sin of b plus c cos of b minus c. Dear students, what we observed here, this is 2 sin b plus c cos of b minus c. This is compared with 2 sin a cos b. Everybody know that the sin of, we know that the sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. This is what? 2 sin A cos B. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is the 2 sin A cos B. Okay, the sin of A plus B plus sin A minus B is 2 sin A cos B. Now student, the first will come sin, the next is the cos is there. So here the B plus C we are taking capital A, the B minus C, the B minus C we are taking some B. This is we have to compare with 2 sin A into cos B, that is sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. So this is R into sigma A square. Now this is sin of B plus C plus B minus C plus sin of A minus B, that is we can written as B plus C minus B plus C. Okay. Now this is R into sigma A square. So is it clear? C tab is cancelled. Now this can be written as sin of 2B plus here B is cancelled. Then it will be the sin 2C. We have to know that sin 2B plus sin 2C. From the sin 2A, 2 sin A cos A. This is 2 sin B cos B. This is 2 sin C cos C. Okay. Now we can written as R into sigma A square. The sin 2B is the form 2 sin B cos B. After that, this is the 2 sin C cos C. So the sigma A square, now the multiple with R. This is 2R sin B into cos B. After that, 2R sin C into cos of C. Therefore, this is sigma A square 2R sin B. The small a 2R sin A, small b 2R sin B, small c 2R sin C from the sine rule. So we can take an as here the 2R sin B, that is B cos B. 2R sin C is the small c cos C. Now we got sigma A square B cos B C cos C. Now this can be expanded as, how can you write this in? To the left hand side we got sigma A square B cos B plus C cos C. Is it clear, students? First we can written as A cube is the A square into A square into A. The small a is the 2R sin A. A can be written as 180 minus of B plus C. Sin of 180 minus theta sin theta. This is we have to take A. This is B. 2 sin A cos B. That is sin of A plus B. It will take plus sin. Sin of A minus B plus C. After that, this is sin 2B plus sin 2C. Sin 2B is the 2 sin B cos B. Sin 2C is the 2 sin C cos C. Now we have to multiply with R. 2R sin B. This is what? Small b. 2R sin B is the small b. And 2R sin C is the small c. So dear students, we got sigma A square B cos B C cos C. Now we can remove the sigma first. A square B cos B plus C cos C. After that we can written as B square, that is first you can take A square B cos B C cos C. After that replace it by small a is the small b, that is the students C cos C plus A cos of A. After that we can written as the small c square equal to, how to write this is A cos A plus B cos B. Now student, this can be written as, we have to take here the first common factor is the AB. What is there here? A cos B is there. When we are taking here, what is the common? AB is the common. Therefore, the remaining is the B cos A. Similarly, students, now we are taking the BC is the common. When we are taking the BC, what is remaining? B cos C. After that, here C cos B. C cos B. Now students, then we are taking the CA is the common. So here the remaining is A cos C. Here this is C cos of A. Now students, this is AB into, this is the C. After that BC into, this is A. CA into B. ABC plus ABC plus ABC is the students 3A Is it clear? ABC plus ABC plus ABC is the 3ABC. Okay. Write down, students. This is from projection rule. This is the formula of small c. This is the formula of small a. This is the formula of small b from the projection rule. ABC plus ABC plus ABC is the 3ABC. Okay. Now the another one, if 1 upon a plus c, 1 by b plus c equal to 3 by a plus b plus c, then angle c equal to 60 degrees. Then prove that angle c is the 60 degrees. 1 upon a plus c, 1 by b plus c equal to 3 by a plus b plus c. Then we show that angle c equal to 60 degrees. So here 1 by a plus c, 1 by b plus c is the 3 by a plus b plus c. Then we show that angle c equal to 60 degrees. Now what is given that the LCM is the students a plus c, b plus c. Now this is b plus c, a plus c. Okay. After that 3 by a plus b plus c. Now students, is there a plus b plus 2c into a plus b plus c, 3 into a plus c b plus c. Now we have to multiply with a into a square, ab 2ac. Now this is ab b square 2bc. Now we have to multiply with c. This is AC, BC, 2C square. Now students, this is AB. After that BC. Now this is AC plus C square. So students, first we can written as A square plus B square plus 2C square. Is there AB plus AB? 2AB. After that 2AC. After that 2BC plus BC. 3BC, 2AC plus AC, 3AC. This is the students, we can written as first 3C square, 3AB, 3BC, 3AC, 3BC, 3AC, 3BC, 3AC cancel. After that students, what is the remaining is there? A square. Dear students, A square plus B square minus C square. Is it clear? A square plus B square, 2C square minus 3C square is the minus C square, plus 2AB standing other side, then it will be the AB. Now students, we can written as A square plus B square minus C square by AB equal to 1. And also we are divided by 2 on both sides. What is the form of A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB? This is nothing but cos C. Cos C is the form A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB from the cosine rule. Cos C is the A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. This is 1 by 2 is the cos of 60. Now C equal to 60 degrees. Okay. if cot A by 2 equal to B plus C by A, then find angle B. Then find angle B. Okay. Now, dear students, how to find the angle B? This is, students, the cot A by 2 is there. Now, the cot A by 2, first we can write cot of A by 2. The small b from the sine rule, 2r sine b. The small c from the sine rule, 2r sine c. 2r is the common. The small a is the, students, 2r sine a. Now, students, this is cos of a by 2 sine of a by 2. The sine b plus sine c. How to write the sine b plus sine c? Is the 2 sine b plus c by 2 into cos of b minus c by 2. The sine b plus sine c, 2 sine b plus c by 2 into cos of b minus c by 2. After that, students, the sine a is the form 2 sine a by 2 into cos of a by 2. These two are cancelled. My dear students, we can written as cos of a by 2 sine of a by 2. This is, students, 90 minus a by 2. Sine 90 minus a by 2 is the cos of a by 2. Cos of b minus c by 2 upon is there sine of a by 2 into cos of a by 2. So, dear students, the cos a by 2 cancel and also the sine a by 2 cancel. Now, remove on both sides cos, that is a by 2 equal to b minus c by 2. Well, you can remove cos on both sides. A by 2 equal to b minus c by 2. Now, this is a by 2. This is the, students, b by 2 minus c by 2. A by 2 plus c by 2 equal to b by 2. So, what is the, students? We have to know that sum of the angles in a triangle a plus b plus c. Everybody know that a plus b plus c equal to 180. Now, a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 equal to 90. So, the a by 2 plus c by 2 equal to 90 minus of b by 2. This is, we got a by 2 plus c by 2 is the, students, 90 minus of, this is, we can written as 90 minus of b by 2 equal to b by 2. So, dear students, 90 equal to b by 2 plus b by 2 is the b. Therefore, angle b equal to 90 degrees. What is the, students? Angle b is the 90 degrees. How to find this is? Just we have to take only the sine rule. 2r sine b, 2r sine c. Then 2r is cancelled. Sine b plus sine c. 2 sine b plus c by 2 cos b minus c by 2. After that, sine a is the form 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2. B plus c by 2 is nothing but 90 minus of a by 2. Sine 90 minus theta cos a by 2. Cos is cancelled. After that, sine cancel. Remove our cos on both sides. A by 2 equal to b minus c by 2. That is minus c by 2 is the plus c by 2. A by 2 plus c by 2 equal to b by 2. This is nothing but 90 minus b by 2. Minus b by 2 is the plus b by 2. B by 2, b by 2 is the b. B equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Cot a by 2, cot of b by 2, cot of c by 2 are in AP. Then a comma b comma c are in. Then so that a comma b comma c are in AP. Okay, students. Cot a by 2, cot b by 2, comma cot c by 2 are in AP. Then so that A comma B comma C are in also AP. This is A, B, C are in AP. We know that 2 into cot B by 2 equal to cot of A by 2 plus cot C by 2. We have to know that, dear students, cot A by 2 comma cot B by 2 cot C by 2 are in AP. Then 2 cot B by 2 equal to cot A by 2 plus cot C by 2. This is S into S minus B by delta. This is S into S minus A by delta. This is S into S minus C by delta. So here the S by delta is the common. So 2S minus 2B. This is S minus A, S minus C. Now students, the 2S minus 2B, 2S minus A minus C. So students, now we have to multiply with minus. 2B equal to A plus C. That is the students, B equal to A plus C by 2. B equal to A plus C by 2. So then you can write students, A comma B comma C are in arithmetic progression. Is it clear? So how to write this is S into S minus B by delta. This is S into S minus A by delta, S into S minus C by delta. So students, the S by delta is including each term. That is 2S minus 2B, S minus A plus S minus C. S plus S is the 2S minus A minus C. This is the students, 2S is cancelled. Now we have to multiply with minus on both sides. 2B equal to A plus C, B equal to A plus C by 2. Then you can write A comma B comma C are in arithmetic progression. Okay. Now students, the another one, so that prove that A plus B plus C tan of A by 2 plus tan of B by 2 is equal to 2C into cot of C by 2. Okay, A plus B plus C into tan of A by 2 plus tan B by 2 equal to 2C into cot C by 2. Is there the left hand side? A plus B plus C is nothing but 2S. Okay students, tan A by 2 we can written as, suppose we are taking the delta in the numerator. So dear students, what is there? S into S minus A. Suppose if you are taking the delta in the numerator, this is S into S minus B. Now students, we can written as the 2S is there. What is the common term? Delta by S. Tan A by 2 is the form delta by S into S minus A. Tan B by 2 is the delta by S into S minus B. 1 by S minus A, 1 upon S minus B. Dear students, S is the cancel. 2 delta. How to write this is S minus B, S minus A upon S minus A into S minus B. Okay students, now this is we can written as, how to write this is 2 delta. So here we can written as S plus S is the 2S. S plus S is the 2S minus A minus B by, is there S minus A into S minus B. Okay students, now this is we can written as 2 into delta upon A plus B plus C. 2S is the A plus B plus C minus A minus B, S minus A into S minus B. Therefore students, this is A B terms are cancelled. This is the 2C by delta by S minus A into S minus B. This is nothing but cot of C by 2. When we are taking the delta here, S minus A into S minus B by delta, that is tan C by 2. 1 by tan C by 2. This is the students 1 by tan c by 2 is the cot of c by 2. This is student right hand side. So how to find this is, first we take a plus b plus c is the 2s. Tan a by 2 delta by s into s minus a, delta by s into s minus b. Delta by s is the common, s cancel. We are taking the LCM is s minus a into s minus b. This is s minus b plus s minus a. S plus s nothing but 2s minus a minus b. 2s is a plus b plus c. A b terms are cancelled. That is 2 delta c by s minus a, s minus b. So delta by s minus a into s minus b, that is a cot of c by 2. Okay. So dear students, we have to know that the tan c by 2, what is the form? The tan of c by 2 is s minus a into s minus b under root of s into s minus c. The under root of s minus a, s minus b, s into s minus c. Suppose if you are taking the delta in the numerator, that is s into s minus c. We are taking the delta in the denominator, then it is s minus a, s minus b. Dear students, what we observed here, this is s minus a into s minus b by delta, that is a tan c by 2. The reciprocal of tan is the cot. Cot c by 2 is the delta by s minus a into s minus b, that is cot c by 2. Is it clear? Now students, the another one, b plus c. If b plus c equal to 3a, what is that? B plus c equal to 3a, then find the value of cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. What is the students? Then find the value of cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. Then find cot of b by 2 into cot of c by 2. The value of cot b by 2, that is s into s minus b by delta. The value of cot c by 2, s into s minus c by delta. So this is s into s minus b, s into s minus c. Delta square, delta into delta, delta square. Delta square is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So s minus c, s minus b, s. So s and s minus b, s minus c cancel. So what are the remaining? The remaining are is s by s minus a. This is the students s by s minus a. The numerator and the denominator we have to multiple with 2. 2s by 2s minus 2a. 2s is nothing but a plus b plus c. This is also a plus b plus c minus 2a. So students, a plus b plus c upon b plus c minus a. What is given that? B plus c is the 3a. B plus c is the 3a. A plus 3a, 4a. B plus c is the 3a. 3a minus a, 2a. So students, what is given that since b plus c is given that 3a, so 3a plus a, 4a, 3a minus 2a, 3a minus a, 2a, that is 2. The cot b by 2 into cot c by 2 is the value 2 if b plus c equal to 3a. Write down students. If a comma b comma c if A comma B comma C are in AP, then so that 3 into tan of A by 2 tan of C by 2 equal to 1, then so that 3 into tan of A by 2 into tan of C by 2 equal to 1. Okay students, now we can written as A, B, C are in AP, 2B equal to A plus C, 2B equal to A plus C. So students, the left hand side is there, 3 into tan of A by 2 into tan of C by 2. The tan of A by 2 we can written as S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A. Tan C by 2 we can written as S minus A into S minus B by S into S minus C. Is it clear students? The tan A by 2 we know that S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A. The tan of C by 2 S minus A into S minus B by S into S minus C. So S minus C cancel, S minus A cancel. So student, this is 3 into S minus B into S minus B, S minus B whole square, square and under root cancel. Now student, this is S into S is the S square, square and under root cancel. Now students, we can take an as what is given that 2B equal to A plus C. Now students, 3 into 2s minus 2b upon 2s, both the numerator and denominator we have to take into 2, that is 2s minus 2b by 2s. The 2s is nothing but A plus B plus C minus 2b by A plus B plus C. So students, this is we can written as A plus C, A plus C minus B plus B minus 2B minus B is that A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. So students, 3 into the value of A plus C is the 2B, the value of A plus C is the 2B, 2B minus B is the B. So A plus C is the 2B plus B is the 3B, 3B by 3B is the 1, that is RHS. What is the students? A plus C is the 2B. 2B minus B is the B. Is there A plus C is the 2B. 2B plus B 3B. 3B 3B cancel. The required solution is the 1. Okay. Now students, the B minus C, prove that B minus C, B plus C into cot of A by 2, B plus C, B minus C, tan of A by 2 is a 2 into cosecant of B minus C. Is the 2 into cosecant of B minus C. Now students, we can take an as B minus C by B plus C into cot A by 2. After that students, we can take an as this is 1 upon B minus C by B plus C. The reciprocal of tan is the cot of A by 2. Now students, the B minus C by B plus C into cot A by 2. The B minus C by B plus C into cot A by 2 is the students the tan of B minus C by 2. This is also 1 plus 1 by tan of B minus C by 2. So my dear students, this is the formula of tan of B minus C by 2. This is also tan of B minus C by 2. So student, this can be written as the tan of B minus C by 2, tan into tan square, 1 plus tan square B minus C by 2. So students, how can you write this is tan into tan is the tan square. 1 plus tan square b minus c by 2. This is the tan of b minus c by 2. So students, we can written as into 2 and by 2. Is it clear students? Everybody know that 2 tan a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. Just we are taking the students 2 by 2 tan b minus c by 2 upon 1 plus tan square b minus c by 2. This term is completely sending to the denominator. So this is 2 tan b minus c by 2 by 1 plus tan square b minus c by 2. Dear students, suppose we are taking b minus c is the x. 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, that is the form of sin x. The sin a, the formula of sin a in terms of tan, 2 tan a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. So students, this is the formula of 2 by 2 tan b minus c by 2 by 1 plus tan square b minus c by 2 is the sin of a. Sin a is the here sin of b minus c. Sin b minus c is the 2 tan b minus c by 2 by 1 plus tan square b minus c by 2. From the submultiple angles, the sin a in terms of tan, the sin a in terms of tan is 2 tan a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2, where a is the b minus c. 2 tan b minus c by 2 by 1 plus tan square b minus c by 2, that is sin of b minus c. The reciprocal of sin is cosecant. Now this can be written as 2 into cosecant of b minus c. This is the students right hand side. 2 into cosecant of b minus c. Okay students? Okay, this is today students. All of you practice the similar models. Okay students? Thank you all. Tomorrow we will discuss some different models in the part 1. Okay, thank you all.